Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you show your FPS onto Fortnite so you can get better understanding of how FPS is going, and it's going to be really helpful for all of you guys who need to see their FPS for mid and low end PCs. So let's get started and know how you can do this. So first of all, you're going to hit escape or start on your controller. Okay, then after that you're going to navigate all the way down. Okay, you're going to be on this menu. You're going to navigate all the way down, okay, till settings, and then go on to your settings. Now, once you're in your settings, you're going to go all the way down to the first ever option. And you're going to scroll down, down until something called Advanced Graphics, and then Show FPS. You're going to switch this on, and then after you do that, okay, let me just make the HUD scale a little bit bigger. You're going to find the FPS on the top right corner, right beside your map. As you can see, 144 FPS. And this is basically how you can activate and see your FPS, because sometimes it's going to help you and understand how your FPS is going right now. And yeah, it was pretty easy, and yeah, it's not that hard. And yeah, if it's actually helped you, thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, if this actually helped you, please drop a comment and say that actually helped me. And yeah, see you later.